Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and I hope you are, healthy and strong and you're keeping well and you focus on your business. In this video today, I will show you how important it is, the Pinterest SEO on Pinterest. Because yes, we're pinning, yes, we're taking the views, yes, we're receiving a lot of views by pinning, but it's very, very important for any Shopify owner, Etsy shop owner to make sure that you are put some effort on SEO in order to rank high. And I will show you an example here today on how important it is that you have to work on Pinterest with keywords and you will rank high like Google. Now look at this. This is one of my blog posts. Obviously, I designed all of this. How to attract affluent customers and through PR in order to create a luxury brand. So, and I want you to also have a look here on the right hand side. I have the opt-in form for my Pinterest strategy that I'm giving my free ebook. So if I go and I copy all of that and I go here on the main Pinterest dashboard and I put that and then I press enter, you will see what? You will not see exactly my pin. Look, because I pinned this quite a while ago. But what you can see is this is the secret and the magic of the Pinterest SEO, guys. And this is something that you need to understand because Pinterest is picking up every keyword on the images. And this is something for you to really work on and be patient. Look here, this is mine. But this is not actually my pin because my pin is horizontal, it's not that pin, but it's picking up the keywords that I have inside my blog post and my image because now the new Pinterest algorithm is picking up, as I explained that many times, but how important it is to place the right keywords. So it's picking up all these words and all those from the main title and it's picking up the link. Look here. So if you click here, you will see actually this one. So it's actually the link of the blog post. It's picking up the image. It's incredible. This is actually the patience and the Pinterest, the SEO is incredible that it's picking up the keywords. And obviously you can tell it's not the pin that I have, but it is from the image because also I have more keywords on my actually pin, so here is nothing, but it's incredible that it's picking up all the images, pictures and all the keywords. That's why you need to be very, very focused on the Pinterest SEO. I know a lot of people that don't have patience, and if you are a shop owner, this is what you need to do. In fact, if you are a shop owner, you need to follow the following, because now Pinterest is picking up all the keywords from the images, and you need to spend some time to, targeting, find the right keywords and the right targeting keywords that's in relation to your services in order for Pinterest users to find you, because you need to place your products and services in the basic on your Pinterest users behavior. So this is what the Pinterest users are looking for, how to attract affluent customers. And this is some of the pins, but as you can see, it's picking up other people's links. This one, for example, and this is something that you need to think here. And this is my actually PDF. The image of the PDF is picking up everything, and this is very, very important. very, very important for you to understand that how important is to, do some targeting, SEO, and other people's pins here. As the speaking up on the feed, and it's incredible. This is why you need really to work it. Now, if you are a Shopify owner or a Etsy shop owner, this is what you need to do. You need to create boards, basic customized boards on the targeting keywords. You need to see based on a season. And now we are end of May soon, so we're gonna go to June. Then you need to think about August and September. Start creating boards with seasonal keywords and add all your products in and attract all those Pinterest users that they're looking for the products you're selling. So this is one is the SEO, second is to targeting the right keywords in order to be found on Pinterest because it's a search engine and it's also a visual search engine. So you need to place beautiful images with the right keywords, do some keyword research before, and then you are perfect to go. Just create boards for those customers and your audiences, target your audiences with the right keywords. Check your analytics. That's why we have the analytics, and place those boards for you to increase sales. And be patient. Be patient, because as you can see here, this is basically the image on my blog post. So it's incredible, and also here. So it's incredible what keywords can do. So you need to think about that. Keywords and the right targeting keywords for your boards. Then you need to think about, since as I say we're in end of May, you need to think about what is the right step to take. How many group posts do I have? You need to create your own group posts. Invite a couple of your clients, because what you're trying to do, even if you started promoting a couple of pins earlier, because this is one of strategic decision making, to start promoting your pins is very good strategy. You need to think that even by promoting your pins, or even by putting the right keywords on your pins, they will be placed and saved in many boards, and then all these users, they will see the user of the boards, they will see your pins, and then they will be shown to other people. So you will get many organic traffic. So this is something that you need to think, because a lot of people are stressing. A lot of people, say, oh, I cannot get anything, I cannot get attracted, I cannot get followers. And this is how you will get followers. Basically by showing your pins by putting a little bit of effort in order for your pins to be shown to many users. And also you need to make sure that the way you are creating your boards and the way you are pinning, think of your audiences. Don't pin for yourself or pin something that you like. I mean, you can save that to for secret. Let's say you have a secret board for that. I mean, this is the magic of the keywords. It's incredible, and I'm actually very happy for that, because I know it's not my actual pin, but imagine, because now it's picking up all the keywords from images. So you need to think how to do this. And something else that I know all of you struggle and say, I want 100 views, 200 views, 300 views. You can get 1 million views, but you need to make sure, again, you have an SEO strategy in order for those views to become your traffic. Because I heard recently, like, for 1 million views, and they have like 2,000 visitors on the website. I would say that I don't have particularly, I mean, at the moment I haven't pinned a lot on my account, so I get what views do I get now, still, because I'm creating new content. So, but I get a lot of traffic And that is very interesting because the keywords bringing you more traffic. So those views that you get, you have to make sure you convert them. That's why you need to have targeting keywords, guys. That's why you need to have targeting keywords. Otherwise, you need to grow your email list. You don't have a business if you don't have an email list. I mean, if you want to have like clicks because you have an affiliate, it's fine. You could do that, but it's not really a business model. I mean, for you, there are shop owners like Shopify and Etsy. That's not going to work, isn't it? But you need to work, you need to have a strategy on how to grow, your business. Because let's say you stop pinning, or what will happen? You wouldn't get any views, you wouldn't get any traffic. So you really need to have a strategy and learn how to grow. So that's it really for today. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And you can subscribe to my channel. Please let me know if it's something particular you're looking at, or if you need any help. So don't forget to use Canva for your pins. And I do have selling customizing templates for you to buy if you want, ready-made. You can edit it so you can convert clients more easily. That's also another tip, because Canva is very, very easy to use. And if you don't have time, as I say, we're selling Canva, so it's fine. But it's very, very easy to use, and it's giving you many options, guys. Canva is really good because it's giving us many options. It's giving us options like to create different content for different platforms, like for Twitter. You can have media kits, and you can create so many things with Canva. So that is something for you to remember. So thank you very much again. Thanks for watching, and thank you very much. Please let me know if you need anything or anything else. That's it. I wish you well.